Quoting is just one piece of your revenue lifecycle. The real complexity starts from pricing logic and product hierarchies to approvals and SLAs. Revenue begins before a quote is created. It continues through renewals, usage charges, and compliance-led revenue recognition. Too many businesses run revenue ops across siloed systems, leading to rework, delays, and data loss. And you may not see the impact until it's too late. Today, revenue operations need unification, visibility, and control. In fact, organizations with unified RevOps report up to 21% higher sales productivity. Salesforce RCA unifies your entire revenue lifecycle on one intelligent platform. Native to Salesforce and driven by AI, RCA enables cross-functional visibility, governance, and revenue agility. RCA builds on your CPQ foundation, unlocking scalable pricing models, multi-entity billing, and compliance. But RCA isn't plug and play. It needs to be designed around your business, from consulting and implementation to migration and ongoing optimization. We make RCA work for how you price, sell, bill, and grow. We architect enterprise-grade RCA solutions across SaaS, manufacturing, FinServe, and more, with success stories to match. Now take control of the full revenue lifecycle before inefficiencies scale with your business. With Grazitti, you get a partner that brings strategy, speed, and structure to every phase. Build your revenue operations with people who've done it before at scale. Let us architect your revenue engine. Reach out to info@grazitti.com.